We're going to come down, keep the lower back engaged by tilting the not engaged by tilting the pelvis and coming down. Now this isn't chair pose, obviously, but this is your starting position. Now we're going to explore with the pelvis. As we lean forward, take the weight back, imagine you're searching for a chair behind you with your bottom. Your weight's going to come forward, because what tends to happen is people go really far back, then they want to look up and they put an arch in their lower back. So to stop that, we're going to go down, take the bottom out behind us, let the body come forward, find where it feels comfortable. So you're the weight's through the legs, not necessarily in the knees. And then if you want, you can take the weight forward and backwards, explore with the pelvis. Make sure you feel like whatever position you've chosen, you're upright in a way that feels comfortable without any pressure on the lower back. You can adjust the pelvis to suit that. And then if you want to take the hands up, you can. And if you want to go lower and challenge yourself, you're going to stay still, as in not going traveling backwards and forwards, but you can just lower yourselves down.